resolved. This video has been prepared for educational purposes only. No part of it may be reproduced or copied without the permission of the copyright holder.
Hello friends, this is Shreyans Kothari and I welcome you all to the YouTube channel of S. Chand Academy. Yes, you have landed the right place because here we are with the video solution of Quantitative Aptitude. Man, this is the book. This is the book you need for any examination. I think the most comprehensive book for Quantitative Aptitude in any competition. You name the competition exam. You want to go for UPSC, it is there. You want to go for bank, you want to go for SSC, railways, campus recruitments, whatever you want to go for, just go for this book first. And this book is a gateway for all the competition examination. आपको क्या करना है? This channel provides you a lot of video solutions. The basic concept we follow is we just clear the concept first and we take some of the questions from the chapters so that you get everything about that chapter in a single video. अगर आपके पास book नहीं है, अभी जाइए book लीजिए. But this video can act as a standalone video because by using this video, by viewing this video, the chapter will be clear itself. So what are you waiting for? Without wasting time, let's move to the chapter. So here we are with the chapter number 31, that is probability. Now probability is again a chapter. Generally what I find is student try to be afraid of it. I don't know why, but they try to avoid this. But I don't think this is such type of chapter. If you have understood the chapter of permutation combination, I think it will be very easy. So let's start the concept, right? Here we go. And before starting this thing, I must tell you one thing that do share to all. जितना ज़्यादा हो सके इसे शेयर करिए, लोगों को बताइए कि बहुत ही अच्छा वीडियो सोल्यूशन यहाँ पे आया है. एग्जाम्पल दिस चैप्टर की अगर मैं बात करूँ तो ये चैप्टर भी अपने आप में बहुत अच्छे से पढ़ाया जाने वाला है आप लोगों को. एंड अगर आप पहली बार आए हैं, जस्ट सब्सक्राइब दिस चैनल, राइट? सो हियर वी गो. There are some concept, right? Let's learn the definitions first. First is experiment. See, an operation which can produce some well-defined outcomes is known as experiment. Experiment कैसे कहेंगे? Anything, कोई भी आपने ऐसा काम किया, कोई भी चीज़ जिसका एक आउटकम आएगा, कोई भी आपने एक ऑपरेशन किया, कोई भी ऐसा कार्य किया, उससे एक आउटकम आएगा और वो well-defined आउटकम है, then it is known as experiment. Random experiment. An experiment in which all possible outcomes are known and the exact output cannot be predicted in advance is known as random experiment. एक ऐसा experiment जहाँ के सभी possible outcomes we know, ये भी आ सकता है, ये भी आ सकता है, ये भी आ सकता है, ये भी आ सकता है. Example के तौर पे coin को हम लोग उछालते हैं, coin गिरता है, we know it very well, head आएगा या tail आएगा. बट उस केस में क्या आएगा, वी डोंट नो. सो रैंडम एक्सपेरिमेंट कहते हैं कि आउटकम कैन नॉट बी प्रेडिक्टेड, कि एग्जैक्ट आउटकम आएगा क्या, बट उसके आउटकम डिफाइंड है, राइट? एग्जाम्पल्स ऑफ परफॉर्मिंग अ रैंडम एक्सपेरिमेंट. एग्जाम्पल क्या हो सकते हैं? रोलिंग एन अनबायस्ड डाइस. अनबायस्ड डाइस है आपके पास, से फॉर एग्जाम्पल आपने वो प्ले किया, यू डोंट नो क्या आएगा, सांप सीढ़ी में हम चलते हैं, सो यू डोंट नो. सेकेंड इज टॉसिंग अ फेयर कॉइन. एक कॉइन को हमने टॉस किया. ड्रॉइंग अ कार्ड फ्रॉम अ पैक ऑफ वेल शफल्ड कार्ड्स. वेल शफल्ड कार्ड्स हैं और हमने प्लेइंग कार्ड्स में से ताश का कोई पत्ता निकाल दिया. पिकिंग अप अ बॉल ऑफ सर्टेन कलर फ्रॉम अ बैग कंटेनिंग बॉल्स ऑफ डिफरेंट कलर. एक बैग है जिसमें बहुत सारी बॉल्स हैं, उन बॉल में से एक बॉल आपने निकाली है, अंदर की बॉल पता है कौन कौन से डिफरेंट कलर की है. सो दीज ऑल आर नोन एज रैंडम एक्सपेरिमेंट्स, राइट? Now details, let's see. उसके डिटेल में क्या दे रखा है? When we throw a coin, then either a head or a tail appears. We know it very well that या तो head आएगा या tail आएगा. A dice is a solid cube having 6 faces, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 respectively. एक ऐसा solid cube है that all the faces are numbered 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So defined है कि क्या आएगा, प्रेडिक्शन नहीं कर सकते एग्जैक्ट क्या आएगा. When we throw a die, द आउटकम इज द नंबर दैट अपीयर्स ऑन इट द अपर फेस. उसमें भी कौन सा, जब आपने रोल डाइस किया, डाई किया, एंड जो सबसे ऊपर आएगा, द फेस विच इज इन फ्रंट ऑफ अस, दैट विल बी द नंबर कॉल्ड. अ पैक ऑफ कार्ड्स विद 52 कार्ड्स, राइट. एक पैक ऑफ कार्ड्स है जिसे हम प्लेइंग कार्ड्स कहते हैं, हिंदी में ताश के पत्ते कहते हैं. 52 कार्ड्स फिक्स होते हैं, राइट. सो दे इट हैज 13 कार्ड्स ऑफ ईच सूट, जिनका नाम होता है स्पेड्स, क्लब्स, हार्ट्स एंड डायमंड्स. 4 टाइप्स के कार्ड होते हैं. 44 into 13 is 52. Cards of spades and clubs are known as black cards. Heart, diamond are red cards. There are 4 honors of each suit: aces, kings, queens and jacks. So 4 into 4, there are 16 honors in together, altogether. So this was a basic thing about probability. Now let us see what exactly probability is. See, we have just started the base of it, right? Now sample space. When we perform an experiment, then the set of S of all possible outcomes is known as sample space. भाई आपको पता है कि आप कोई एक्सपेरिमेंट कर रहे हैं, रैंडम एक्सपेरिमेंट कर रहे हैं, सो जितने सारे पॉसिबल आउटकम्स हो सकते हैं, दैट सेट ऑफ आउटकम्स इज नोन एज सैंपल स्पेस. एग्जांपल्स: in tossing a coin, when you toss a single coin, it will be either H or T, like head होगा या tail होगा. That is the sample space. Sample space means जो भी possible outcomes हो सकते. If 2 coins are tossed, say for example 2 coins are tossed, so it may be like 2 heads, 2 tails, head and tail or tail and head, right? So these are the sample space of tossing 2 coins. In rolling a dice, what we have is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, anything. So all the numbers which are possible outcomes is known as sample space. What is event? Any subset of a sample space is known as event. Event का मतलब क्या है? See, sample space is a total space. Total number of outcomes, possible outcomes is known as sample space, out of which a few of them is known as events. उनमें से कुछ जो हो सकते हैं उन्हें इवेंट कहते हैं. सो नाउ व्हाट इज प्रोबेबिलिटी? प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ अकरेंस ऑफ एन इवेंट. भाई वो इवेंट होगा, इसकी प्रोबेबिलिटी है. प्रोबेबिलिटी का मतलब पॉसिबिलिटी है, तो उसकी पॉसिबिलिटी कितनी है? से फॉर एग्जांपल हमने कॉइन टॉस किया, सो जब कॉइन टॉस किया, हेड आने की उतनी ही पॉसिबिलिटी है, दैट इज प्रोबेबिलिटी, जितनी की टेल्स आने की है. सो हेड्स और टेल्स 50-50 चांसेस हैं, सो 50% प्रोबेबिलिटी होगी, राइट. लेट S be the sample space, E be the event. So E is subset of S. That means probability of E is n event about divide by n of S. Okay, so let's move on to the questions. Now here we are with the questions. So what we need to find out? We need to find out, in a bag there are 8 red balls and 7 green balls. So we have total 8 red balls and we have 7 green balls, right? 2 balls are picked at random. What is the probability that one ball is red and one is green, right? So one is red, one is green. I guess this is a selection part. In combination we did that. So first we need to know what is the total number of sample space. That means total number of experiment answer, right? So we have to take out 8 and 7. So in total we have 15. So out of those 15, we need to find out how many. We need to get 2. So 15C2 is the number of ways in which 2 balls can be taken out of 15 balls. Now one is red and one is green. So it is like 8C1 and 7C1 that we need to find out. Yes. So we know it very well that 8C1 is 8, 7C1 is 7 and 15C2. So 15 into 14 into 13 factorial divide by 13 factorial into 2 factorial. If you remember that what is the formula of combination, that say for example NCR it is given. So n factorial divide by r factorial n minus r factorial. So r is 2, n minus r is 13. So this gets cancelled out. Now we have got 8 into 7 is 56, and we have got 210 divided by 2. So we have got 56 divided by 105. Is there any option like 56 divided by 105? No. So let's calculate it more. Just divided by 3, I guess. So it will be divided by 7. So 7 is like 8 times, and 7 is like 15 times. So 8 by 15, is there any option? Yes, we have. 8 by 15 is the answer. So in this way, you need to know that total number of events out of the what events we want. This is actually the probabilities, and the whole probability is all about this. Let's do some more question and you will see that it is not that tough. You just need to remember four things, that what is combination, how is combination derived, that's it. And what is the possible outcomes we want, favorable events, what we say. In a bag, there are 4 marbles of red color and 5 marbles of blue color. So we have got 4 marbles of red color and 5 of blue color. Great. 2 marbles are chosen randomly. What is the probability that both are of same color? Same color we want, right? So this time we have in total, we have total 9 C2. That is the total number of events. And what we need is like 4 C2 plus we want 5 C2. See, we want that maybe it is like this or this. That means या तो ये आ जाए जो कि 2 balls out of 4 same color की आ जाए, या फिर 2 balls 5 color की same आ जाए. So let's calculate this first. Now 4C2 can be written as, 4C2 can be written as 4 into 3 into 2 factorial divide by 2 factorial into 2 factorial, n minus r is same, plus we have 5 into 3 into 5 into 4 into 3 factorial divide by 3 factorial into 2 factorial, and in here we have 9 into 8 into 7 factorial divide by 7 factorial into 2 factorial. We should do it proper ways, right? So here we go, 2 and 2 cancelled out. We have got 2 here. 3 and 3 cancelled out, 2 and 2, right? Now here we have 7, so 7 cancel and 2 is like 4. So finally, we are arrived at, this is like 2 into 3 plus 5 into 2 divide by 9 into 4. So 2 into 3 is 6 and this is 10. So 10 plus 6 is 16 and 9 into 4. 9 into 4 will be like, that will be like 36. So 16 by 36 is like 4 times, and 4 into 4, 4 into 9, right? So 4 by 9. Is there any option like 4 by 9 with us? Yes, that is the first option we have got. 4 by 9 is the answer. Here we go. Okay, so let's move on to the next question. Here we go, question number 7 for us. There are 3 fair dice thrown simultaneously. What is the probability that sum of the number is on their tops is at least 6? So at least 6. We want that the number must come as 6 minimum, right? So what we can do is, do one thing. Let's calculate the probability of not coming 6 or less. If it is like that, and we just do one thing, 1 minus that probability, that will be our probability. What do I mean? I just mean that, for example, 3 dice are used, right? So of getting, say for example, if I get 3, so how is it possible? That is possible by just one possibility, that all 1 come on top. Now getting 4, so how is it possible? So getting 4 is like 1, 1 and 2. we have got 1, 2 and 1. We have got 2, 1 and 1. This is the total number of cases when I get 4 when I roll 3 dice. Now getting 5. Getting 5 is like 1, 2 and 2. Then I can get 2, 1, 2. Then I get 2, 2, 1. And also I can get like 1, 1, 1, 3. I can get 1, 3, 1. Then I can get 3, 1, 1. These are the total cases. So we have got 1 case here, then we have got 3 cases here, then we have got 6 cases here, right? So these are the cases when we are not getting 6, because after 5 we will get at least 6. So 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and they're like 6 into 6. So 5, 6, 6, 6. 36 we have to go, not 6, 18 we have to go. So rather than going on to that part, we just calculated that what are the possibilities, what are the number of cases where you don't get at least 6. So we found that there are 10 cases. Now, what is the total number of cases? Total number of cases is like, we have in total 3 dice. There are 6 possible outcomes of 1. There are 6 possible outcomes of 2. And there are 6 possible outcomes of third one also. So when we multiply these 3, 6 into 6 into 6, that will be total number of cases. So that comes out to be, now we are talking about probability. So probability is like 216 and how many cases? 10. So we have not getting at least 6. So getting at least 6 will be like 1 minus 10 by 216. So when you do like that, we have 216 minus 10 divided by 216. That will be like 206 divided by 216. Let's calculate a bit. We have got 103 here. We have got 108 here. So 103 by 108. Is there any option like that? Let's see. 103 by 108. Yes, we do have. So in this case, what we have found is, हमने ऐसे केसेस निकाल दिए जहां 6 नहीं आ रहा है, 6 से कम ही आ रहा है, 6 से ऊपर वालों को नहीं देखा. सो 6 से कम वालों को हमने टोटल केसेस निकाल दिए. नाउ ये केसेस निकालने के बाद हमने 1 से उसे माइनस कर दिया. वी गॉट द actual probability what we were looking after. Okay, so let's move on to the next question. Here we have, this is like IBPS pre-RRB Grameen Bank 2019 question. It says that our bag contains 6 red balls. So I should write here 6 red ball, 11 yellow and 5 pink. If 2 balls are drawn at random from the bag, one after the other, what is the probability that first ball is red and second ball is yellow? So first ball is red. So how many balls are in total? We have got 11 and 11, 22. Out of that 22, we are picking one of them. And what we need is first ball is red. So when it is first ball is red, that means we have got 6C1. Now the second possibility. Now there are 21 ball left. So out of those 21, we have only one ball to be picked and that ball to be yellow. So yellow is like 11C1. Now this is one after the other. So this and this probability must be there. So we multiply this. Let's see what is answer. So we have got 6C1, 6, 22 here, 11 here and 21 here. So we got this as 22. Now 6 is like 2 times, 7 times. So we have got 2 by 14. Is it? No, it is like 1 by 7. So the probability of getting this type of condition is 1 by 7. And that, my friend, is the first answer of the question. So in this way, you need to understand things. See, why did we do 22C1 and 21C1, right? Because in one after the other, randomly they are picked and one after the other. So when the first ball was picked, it was like 22 balls total and we need to pick one. And out of those, 6 were red and we need to pick one. Then after picking one, we have just 21 balls left. So total cases are 21C1 because we have to pick one from 21. And what we wanted was one of them must be, the second one must be yellow. So total yellow balls were 11, so 11C1. So in this way you need to do. And this is the probability. Let's move on to the next question. Here we go, question number 19 for you all. 19. Now a bag contains 3 blue, 2 green, 5 red balls. We have got 3 blue, then we have got 2 green, then we have got 5 red. 4 balls are picked at random. What is the probability that 2 are green and 2 are blue? So 4 are picked out of these 3. So how out of these 10? 3 and 2 and 5. So we have got 10C4 because we have to pick 4 out of 10. Now 2 are green. So 2 are green. 2 are green is like 2C2. Then we multiply it by 2 are blue. So we have got 3C2. Let's calculate this because we know the formula of combination 2C2. So 2C2 is 1 always and 3C2 is equal to 3C1. So it is like 3. Now this we need to calculate, right? We have 10 into 9 into 8 into 7 into 6 factorial divide by 4 factorial into 6 factorial. Why so? Because NCR is like n r factorial n minus r factorial. So 6 got here. Now 4 can be written as 4 into 3 into 2, right? So cancel this out. Now 4 is like done. Now this is 3. So we just want 7 into 3 is 21. 21 into 10 is 210. So we have got here 3 by 210 and it is like 1 by 70. So the probability of getting what we want is 1 by 70. So is there any option like 1 by 70 in the options? Yes, we do have. So I don't think it will be a big problem for you. We are just going to take different type of questions, but all you need to do is just go with the permutation and combination chapter. एक बार वो चैप्टर आप कर लेंगे ना, ये चैप्टर तो और ज्यादा आसान है. एंड आई टेल यू नथिंग टू वरी अबाउट इट बिकॉज वो चैप्टर भी आप कर लीजिए, ये चैप्टर भी कर लीजिए. एग्जाम्पल के तौर पे डीएमआरसी, बैंकिंग एग्जाम्स आते ही हैं क्वेश्चन एंड आई डोंट थिंक देयर इज अ बिग ट्रबल इन दैट. आप बहुत अच्छे से करेंगे. आई हैव completed that chapter beautifully. So just go there and do it. Now we move on to the next question. Here we go. We have in a simultaneous throw of 2 coins, the probability of getting at least one head. So 2 coins are simultaneously thrown, at least one head. So we have total conditions, right? Total. When you go for total condition, it's like HT, we have got TT, we have got HH, and we have got TH, right? Now the probability that at least one head, so we have got here, here, and here. So it will be like 3 by 4. 3 by 4 is the probability. Why so? Because 4 is the total conditions, total events, and out of this favorable is 3 because at least one head is this. So very easy question. But see, हम प्रोबेबिलिटी के नाम से डर जाते हैं, बट डरना नहीं है बॉस. इतना इजी कर दिया मैंने आपके लिए कि आप कोई भी क्वेश्चन कर जाओ. सो हियर वी गो टू क्वेश्चन नंबर 25, 3 by 4. सो लेट्स डू सम मोर क्वेश्चंस. हियर वी गो. वी हैव क्वेश्चन नंबर 26. 3 unbiased coins are tossed. 3 unbiased coins are tossed. What is the probability of getting at least 2 heads? So I guess we have done a shorter version of this. Let's write all the possible answers. We'll start with T. So we have got 3 T's. Then we have got 1 H here. We have got THT. We have got HTT. So these are the possibilities. Now next we do is like T, H, H. So we have got HTH. We have got HHT. Right? Now we have all the H's there. So these are the total possible cases. Total possible cases, right? Now we want at least 2 heads. So 2 heads means, at least 2 heads means 1, 2, 3 and 4. So we have got, this is the favorable cases and this is the total cases. So there's a half possibility, 50% chances whether it will be like at least 2 head or not. That's it. Here we go. We have this question number 30 with you. What is 30? Now it is from the pack of cards. Now a card is drawn from a pack of 52 cards. We have 52 cards in total. The probability of getting a queen of club, that is a specific card, and a queen of king of heart, or, so again that is a fixed card. So there are total 52 cards, right? And 52 out of them, just one is taken out. So getting queen of club is like one probability out of that, one event, and a king of heart is again a one event. So we have got 2 by 52. So that will be 1 by 26. So 1 by 26 is the probability that I get queen of club or a king of hearts. Why? Because it's a fixed card. Only one card is queen of club, or a king of heart is just one card. So one card out of 52, one card out of 52. That is it. Here we go. Let's move on to the next question. Here we have an urn contains 6 red. We have got 6 red here. We have got 4 blue here and we have got 2 green there. And we have 3 yellow as well. So full of marbles. Now if 2 marbles are drawn from the urn, what is the probability that both are red? Both are red. See how many total balls are there or marbles are there. 3 and 2, 5 and 6 and 4, 10. So we have got 15. And out of them we have to take out 2 only. So the total events, total number of events is 5C2. Now 2 marbles are drawn and they are both red. So both red is like 6R2, 6C2. So that is what we need to find out, right? Here we go. We have with us 15 into 14 into 13 factorial, 13 factorial into 2 factorial, right? Now on the top we'll write 6 into 5 into 4 factorial, 4 factorial into 2 factorial. So we have got this gone. Now this is like 3 times, this gone, and like this is 7 times. So we have with us 5 into 3, that is 15 on the top, and 7 into 15, 105 there. So if I go like 3, so we have got 5 here and we have got 10 is like 9, that is 3 times, and we have got 1, 5, 15. So 5 times. So we have got 1 by 7. So 1 by 7 is the probability of getting this what we want. And this is the way you need to do. You need to do all the questions like this. And believe me, these type of question as it is come in exam. No change at all. And I told you we are there. See, this question is from SBI PO. So in the banking exam and other exams also, UPSC style of exams, this question comes. Say for example, you give CAT exam, probability is there, CAT, MAT or any MBA exam. So you need to do all these questions, and I tell you, do it. Let's move on to the other question. We have with us question number 43. So this again is from one of the old papers, previous year papers. A basket contains 4 red, 5 blue and 3 green. If 3 marbles are picked up at random, what is the probability that at least one is blue? So at least one is blue. So now this time what we do is, see, for example, there are, if you remember, we did a question in this video only that 3 coins were tossed, three dice were rolled, and we had to find at least minimum is 6, right? The total number of the sum of them. In that, what we did, like we found out that if it doesn't come and 1 minus that. In the similar manner, we do one thing. Let's suppose we find that none is blue. Let's find out that none is blue. And if I do 1 minus that, it will be like at least what? So what we'll do is, see, we have to pick 3 out of these 5 and 3, 8 and 4, 12. So out of 12, we have to pick 3, right? And none is blue in that condition when none is blue. So let's suppose cancel this out. We have got 3 and 4, 7. So out of 7, we pick 3, right? We are trying to find out that what is the condition or what is the probability of getting picking randomly 3 marbles and none of them is blue, right? So what we do? We have 12 into 11 into 10 into 9 factorial, divide by 9 factorial, 3 into 2, 3 into 2, right? And on the top we have got 7 into 5, 6 into 5 into 4 factorial, divide by 4 factorial into 3 into 2 into 1. Because 4 factorial and 3 factorial. So 3 factorial is 3 into 2 into 1. So 3 into 2 into 1 is like 6 gone. 9 say 9 gone. 4 say 4 gone. Now 2 and this is 5. Wait. 2 and this is like 6. So we have got 2 here, right? So on the upper side, that is the numerator part, we have got 7 into 5, that is 35. And from the bottom side is denominator, 2 into 11, 22 into. So we have got 220. Now this is a probability of none blue. But what we want actually? We want that at least one blue. So what we'll do is 220, 35 and 1 minus that. So if I do 1 minus that, we have got 220 here. Now 220 minus 35. That comes out to be 185 by 220. So cancelling this out, we have got, so cancel it by 5 both the sides. So 18 is like 3 times 15 and 35 is like 7. And when we do like this, 22 is like 4 times. Then 20 is again 4 times. So we have got 37 by 44. Is there any option like 37 by 44 with us? Yes, we do have 37 by 44. So in this way, you need to know. Now this type of question is bit trickier, but still you can do that. If your concepts are clear, if you have understood the chapter, I think you can do all the questions without hesitation, without any barrier. Let's do 2 or more questions and then we are done with this chapter. Now 47, a box contains 20 electric bulbs, out of which 4 are defective. So total 20 and 4 defective, right? 2 balls are chosen random from this box. Balls means, I guess, electric bulbs they want to write. At random from this, the probability that at least one of them is defective. At least one of them is defective. Now, it is better to do whatever the at least part is. Do like none is defective and 1 minus that. So, none is defective, right? So, I take out 20C2. That is the total probability. And out of this, I want 16C2. Why 16? Because out of 4 is defective, 16 are non-defective. So, we pulled out or we took out, right? Now, we have with us 20 into 19 into 18 divide by 18 factorial into 2 factorial, right? So like that. And in the similar way, we have got 16 into 15 into 14 factorial, 14 factorial into 2 factorial, right? So what we do is like cancel out this, cancel out this. Now we have 2 here, we'll do 10 here, 2 here, we'll do 8 here. So finally we have got 8 into 15 divided by 10 into 19. So we'll do 5 here, sorry, we'll do 2 here and we'll do 3 here, right? Anything else? Yes, we can do 4 here. So it's like 12 by 19. So 12 by 19 is a probability of getting none of the bulbs defective. So 12 by 19 is the probability of getting none defective. So if at least one defective means 1 minus 12 by 19, that is 19 minus 12 by 19, that comes out to be 7 by 19. This is the way you do. 7 by 19 is the answer. So is there any option like 7 by 19? Yes. And I tell you 12 by 19 was also the option. So generally it may happen that 12 by 19 we got, yes, we have got it. We just forget to subtract this from 1, right? So in this way, we come to an end of a very good chapter, that is probability. And I am sure that earlier from this, like say for example, so before learning from this video, many of you would have thought कि यार बहुत मुश्किल होगा ये probability. But now when the concept is clear, everything is clear. So remember that, clear the concept first and do a lot of questions. A lot of questions will make you confident. Practice and practice and practice. That will sure make you confident. So we say bye for now, but we have upcoming videos as well. So if you want those upcoming videos notified at your mobile, just do one thing, subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon so that you get whatever the new video solution, whatever the new book we take, the Eschan publication, it will be notified at your mobile. So hope to see you rock in the exam. Thank you and take care.